Have you ever paused to consider if your morning breakfast could be the key to battling muscle loss, especially as you age? You might believe you've got your breakfast routine all sorted out, but there are many hidden truths and surprises that come with getting older, particularly after reaching that important milestone of 60 years. What you may not realize is that your daily choices could be undermining your strength. From unknowingly contributing to muscle loss, to making it harder to stay active and independent. Many older adults are missing essential nutrition tips right in their breakfast bowls without even noticing. So, be sure to stick with me until the end, because I'm going to reveal one extraordinary food that can dramatically improve your muscle health and overall wellness. If you care about staying strong, healthy, and vibrant in your golden years, this is a video you definitely won't want to miss. Hey everyone, welcome back to Bloom and Nourish. Before we dive into today's topic, I kindly ask for your support. Please give this video a thumbs up. Your engagement helps us spread these important lessons. If you haven't subscribed yet, I encourage you to do so and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any valuable content in the future. Also, let me know you're here by commenting 1 if you find this video helpful, or 0 if there's room for improvement. Now, let's get started. As we grow older, there's a critical issue that often goes unnoticed, especially when you reach the age of 50. It's a silent thief that gradually steals away your strength and makes everyday tasks feel increasingly impossible. This condition is known as sarcopenia. It silently affects nearly 1 in 3 seniors, gradually leading to a loss of muscle mass, strength, and functional capabilities. You might not feel its presence until you try to get up from your chair or climb a set of stairs, only to realize that your legs can feel heavy and unresponsive, as if they are made from lead. This isn't just a matter of aging. It's a nutrient deficiency that can be managed and even reversed with the right dietary choices. Sarcopenia progresses silently at first, and the symptoms can be subtle. You may notice your legs feel a bit heavier, or you find yourself relying on your arms to help you rise from your chair. Simple tasks like walking up a flight of stairs or stepping off a curb can become exhausting. While you might dismiss these challenges as just part of getting older, it's essential to understand that this deterioration is not merely a natural process of aging. It's linked to what you're eating or not eating. There's a powerful nutrient that many seniors lack in their diets, and it's called leucine. This amino acid plays an essential role in muscle repair and growth, serving as the critical signal for your body to rebuild muscles that have been lost over time. Leucine is not just beneficial but crucial for seniors, as our bodies become less efficient at responding to muscle-building signals as we age. This means that you might need to consume more leucine per meal compared to younger individuals to achieve the same muscle-building effect. Unfortunately, local diets often fall short, especially at breakfast, the most important meal of the day. It's during breakfast, when your body is in desperate need of nutrients after a night of fasting, that you must give your muscles the essential components they require for repair and growth. This brings us to the most critical moment. What is this food packed with leucine that so many people overlook? This food has been celebrated for ages in cultures dedicated to healthy and active aging. It is inexpensive, readily available, and contains the muscle-building properties that can help transform your health if eaten regularly. We are, of course, referring to eggs. Eggs are often called nature's perfect food for a reason. They have been misunderstood for many years, blamed for raising cholesterol and causing heart trouble. However, countless recent studies from reputable institutions like the Harvard School of Public Health and the Mayo Clinic have flipped this narrative upside down. Research shows that eggs are incredibly beneficial for combating age-related muscle loss, and when you dive into the science behind it, it becomes clear why they are so vital. The average egg contains about 1.3 grams of leucine, making it a fantastic source of this essential amino acid that supports muscle rebuilding, particularly for seniors whose digestive systems may not be as efficient. Even beyond leucine, eggs provide complete proteins, which include all 9 essential amino acids necessary for maintaining and repairing muscle tissue. This means that by simply adding 2 eggs to your breakfast, you can significantly enhance your muscle recovery and overall health. You don't need to rely on expensive powders or supplements to achieve your health goals. Whole foods like eggs can offer everything your body needs to thrive as you age. In fact, a 2020 clinical trial published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlighted the distinct benefits of consuming whole eggs by a group of seniors over the age of 65. In this study, one group of participants enjoyed 2 whole eggs each morning alongside a high-fiber side, while the other group had toast and juice. By the end of 12 weeks, the egg-eating group exhibited remarkable improvements in leg strength, enhanced balance, increased walking speed, and even noticeable boosts in energy levels, along with reductions in the number of falls reported. This is truly astonishing because such a simple and affordable food option, costing less than $1 for 2 eggs, can significantly improve your strength, stability, and even your ability to move comfortably through life. Now, as we shift our focus to another powerhouse food, let's talk about Greek yogurt. This creamy, cool delight has been a staple of Mediterranean and Middle Eastern diets for generations and is packed with benefits that go far beyond just taste. Greek yogurt is not only rich in protein, providing a powerful source of casein protein, which is ideal for muscle repair. It also plays a crucial role in gut health, which is vital in our later years. The importance of how efficiently your body absorbs and utilizes protein cannot be overstated, especially as we age. Research shows that Greek yogurt is one of the richest sources of casein, a protein that digests slowly and delivers a steady stream of amino acids needed for muscle recovery. A significant study published in 2018 found that older adults who consumed casein-rich dairy at bedtime experienced noticeable improvements in muscle recovery by morning compared to those who did not. In simple terms, having Greek yogurt before you sleep can actually help rebuild your muscles while you rest. Furthermore, Greek yogurt is loaded with probiotics, beneficial bacteria that enhance gut health, reduce inflammation, and improve nutrient absorption. These features are particularly critical as an aging digestive system may not process food as effectively. If the gut isn't functioning properly, it can jeopardize the delivery of essential proteins, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D to your muscles and bones. Additionally, Greek yogurt provides around 20% of your daily calcium requirements per serving, vital for bone density, joint health, and proper muscle function. Now, how about you consider incorporating Greek yogurt into your evening routine? This small yet meaningful change can have huge impacts on your well-being. Let's discuss some practical ways to enjoy Greek yogurt. Opt for plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid hidden sugars that could trigger inflammation. Aim for brands with at least 15 grams of protein per serving and live-active cultures to maximize probiotic benefits. When choosing between low-fat or full-fat options, keep in mind that full fat contains more fat-soluble vitamins, which support essential functions like nerve health and muscle coordination. Another gem in our nutritional arsenal is chia seeds, tiny powerhouse foods that often go unnoticed in the senior diet. Despite their small size, chia seeds pack a significant punch when it comes to boosting overall health, especially regarding nerve health, inflammation, and balance. They are among the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, which is crucial for maintaining a responsive and sharp nervous system. This responsiveness directly influences muscle contraction, coordination, and reaction time. As we age, the communication between our brain and muscles may weaken, resulting in slower reflexes and stumbles, as well as a disorienting feeling that our legs aren't keeping up with us. Research published in 2021 in Nutritional Neuroscience demonstrates that seniors who consume just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds daily for 8 weeks displayed measurable improvements in gait speed, quicker reflexes, and even better neuromuscular control, all achieved without any changes to their exercise routines. Beyond their omega-3 content, chia seeds are anti-inflammatory powerhouses filled with polyphenols and antioxidants, serving to combat joint swelling, muscle soreness, and stiffness. 3 major factors giving rise to mobility issues in older adults. Moreover, chia seeds are also a great source of magnesium, which is essential for muscle relaxation and can help prevent cramps. The calcium from chia seeds aids in promoting strong bones and stable posture, while their fiber content supports digestion and gives you sustained energy throughout the day. With around 4 grams of protein per serving, they also contribute to muscle repair. Adding chia seeds to your diet is simple. You can mix them into yogurt or oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or make chia pudding with various flavorings. For best results, hydrating them first by soaking them in water or milk enhances digestion and nutrient absorption, particularly for older adults with a slower metabolism. Combining these 3 remarkable foods, eggs in the morning, Greek yogurt in the evening, and chia seeds as an all-day support, creates a strong nutritional strategy to help combat muscle loss, improve balance, and enhance overall confidence as you navigate your daily life. These foods are more than just individual items in your diet. Together they form a comprehensive support system capable of turning back the clock on muscle aging. If you take nothing else from this video, remember this: your muscles are waiting for the right nutrients to rebuild. By focusing on these simple foods and making them a regular part of your routine, you can secure your strength, confidence, and mobility as you age. So, consider what your breakfast, lunch, and dinner plates can transform into for your health. Each meal can become an opportunity for growth, repair, and restoration. Imagine envisioning this. Just 6 weeks from today, you could easily get up from your chair, walk across your living room without hesitation, and bend down to tie your shoes while standing back up with ease. You aren't just moving. You are moving forward with newfound confidence, clarity, and control. And if you're curious about further enhancing your results by pairing these foods with specific daily habits that can trigger deeper muscle regeneration, be sure to tune in next time. This journey is just beginning.